In this video, I'm going to show you how to save passwords in Chrome. The first thing to do is click on these three dots here at the top right corner. Scroll down to settings. Now on the settings page, click on autofill and passwords. On this page, click on Google Password Manager. For you, what you want to do is click on this hamburger button. Click on settings. Now you can see this is offer to save passwords and passkeys. Now mine is turned on here already. Yours might look like this, which indicates that it's actually turned off. So what you want to do is toggle it on. Once it looks like this, you're seeing this sky blue color here, it means that it's on. So next time when you go into any platform or any website and you enter your password and username and all that credentials, Chrome is now going to save it into the Google Password Manager. All you just have to do is just to agree when you're prompted, because you'll be prompted to choose whether or not you want to save the password. Now once that happens, just follow the prompts, whatever it is, to accept, and then your password will be saved going forward. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you.